Okay. It is 9:27:23. So everything you might need is always in Canvas.
Dividing fractions.
Dividing fractions is the lesson for today. Little review.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes.
Why was the video that you made about multiplying mixed numbers? Why was it quiet?
Because that's how a classroom should be when I'm doing a lesson, so you're not distracted and you're actually learning. All right, dividing fractions. Anybody remember from a couple years ago or maybe last year, how do I divide fractions?
Oh, no.
No,
Multiply
I
it.
forgot.
Considerably multiply it.
Exactly. It's a trick question. Dividing fractions is actually something you can't do. You cannot multiply fractions. I don't understand why. You're on the iPad.
Yeah, got it.
2/3 divided by 1/4. When you see a dividing Melanie fraction, we actually do not divide fractions. It is not possible to divide them. Does anybody know what we do?
Multiply.
Yes.
Oh my.
Not them though. Just one. Yes. That's how I like to remember it.
Oh.
Keep,
You have to flip the
Key to key.
change,
flip.
flip.
Oh, what? We already wrote.
KCF. Okay? Now, don't let your high school teacher know this. Because keep, change, flip is actually not proper math. I'm supposed to use the proper vocabulary, which is you're going to have to multiply by the reciprocal and use the inverse. And it's like, oh my God, no, we're not going to complicate this. So we just do keep, change, flip. Yes?
How many more years until we go ahead?
2.
What if I do something I have to teach you?
All right. They're going to send me an email. Why did you teach your kids keep, change, flip? Trying to make it nice and easy for you. All right. So, this first fraction, ladies and gentlemen, this first fraction you keep. Never, ever, 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 ever change your first fraction. So you rewrite it. 2/3. Keep the first fraction. We're going to change. We're going to change division to multiplication. And you're going to flip it. Like literally flip. Flip it. 4/1. You see how the 1 is on the top? Now it's going to be on the bottom because we're going to flip it.
I'm taking a look.
But wouldn't you make it a one of it?
Yeah, but like we're not going to, we're just going to leave it like that. Because we do need a fraction. Okay, because when we multiply fractions, we need a top and we need a bottom. So now I'm just going to multiply straight across. Going to multiply straight across.
I got 8/3.
Yep. 2 times 4, use your multiplication table if you need it. That gives you 8. 3 times 1, give you 3. And we're going to leave it as an improper.
Improper fraction.
We're going to leave it as an improper fraction.
My paper is again.
All right. Let's try 5/6 divided by 1/3.
Wait, 5/3? Yeah, are we doing it by ourselves?
Some of you can. So, keep, change, flip. So what do I write down first? Not the answer. What do I write down?
5/6.
Yep.
Multiply by 3/1.
Good. Very good.
Keep, change, flip.
All right. Now, for some of you, you can't handle the simplifying the corners, so you're going to have to simplify at the end. If you can simplify the corners, simplify the corners. Let's say I don't want to simplify the corners, so what we do is we just multiply straight across, right? 5 times 3, 15. 6 times 1, 6. But if I type in 15 over 6 onto the iPad, for example, on a do now. Will I get it right? No, because you have to simplify. What magical number can I divide 15 and 6?
I think it's 2.
3. I love it.
Oh yeah, wait, you could divide?
Simplify.
Divide?
Oh.
Now, if you simplify the corners, you don't have to do this part. But since we didn't simplify the corners, we got to do it right now.
I thought 5 halves.
5 halves.
You have 5 halves.
Yeah. So this is equal to 5 over 2.
5 halves.
It's an interesting way of saying it.
What? Jordan always right.
We okay? Very similar to, I mean, it is multiplying fraction. That's why we taught you.
You leave it at 1, right?
No.
I think it's like 2.
Let's not respond. Let him, and then understand and realize he shouldn't have said that. We're moving on. Okay. 1 1/5 divided by 2 over 5. So this is kind of like what we were doing yesterday. So what do you think our very first step is in this problem?
Multiply.
Multiply the whole number by the fraction.
Yeah, so change it from a mixed number to an improper, just like yesterday. So everybody, we should be doing multiply and add going this way.
You know what I think about that? That's pretty cool.
This is kind of confusing.
I got 30, 10.
Me too.
All right, 5 times 1 plus 1
1 and 5.
plus 1.
6.
6. So remember, okay, 6 over 5. Keep, change to what?
2/5. I mean
Oh.
5.
No, where am I at? Where am I at? Multiply, thank you. Now flip to what?
5 halves. 5 halves.
5, 2.
5 halves.
All right. If you want to simplify the corners, simplify the corners. If you don't want to simplify the corners, go straight across.
I simplify. I don't know, I get it.
Okay, 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 2 is 10. If I type in this answer, will I get it right?
No.
Nope. I'm going to use my multiplication table. Where do I see 30 and 10 on the same line? 10. Which means I get to simplify by 10.
Did you say chinks?
30 divided by 10? 3. 10 divided by 10? 1. Does anybody know what 3 over 1 really equals to?
3.
Just 3. Whenever you have a 1 at the bottom, it's just that number on the top. 3.
It's just that one.
It's just this number. Whenever you have a 1 at the bottom, it's actually 3 whole pies. 3 wholes. Yes?
So it's like on the test, they show 3 over 1. You can just turn it into a whole number.
A 3, yeah. Technically, this is really, really, really equal to just 3. Because when you divide this, you have no remainder. So you get rid of it because there's no remainder. All right. Jordan, give me a mixed number. Any mixed number you want. Go.
Can I see one?
1, 2.
2 and what?
And 1/2.
I like it. All right, Ruben, give me just a fraction. Make it good.
Just a random fraction?
Just a random fraction.
100 over 500.
1 over 5. I simplified your fraction.
Okay.
All right, what's our first step not being on our iPads? Check.
Multiply.
And?
Add.
Good. All right, do that before I do.
Oh, it's right down there.
Stay awake. Let's stay awake. We're here. We're live.
We were like,
All right, what do we get as an improper for Jordan's fraction?
5-2.
5-2. Keep, change, and we're going to flip Ruben's to 5-1. Good. All right, 5 times 5? 25. 2 over what? 2 times 1? 2. And can I simplify this?
Yeah.
Yes.
What can I divide 25 and 2 by?
Two. Or no.
No. 5.
1 doesn't count.
Wait.
No, you can't.
12.
You can't.
You can.
I'm literally asking you. You're telling me, unfortunately.
It's 12.
What?
I'm asking you 25 and 2.
10.
What can I divide 2 by?
13.
10.
2.
0.
By 2.
1.
Yes, by 2. You guys are telling me other numbers. Can I divide 2 by 13?
I said 5.
No.
I said 5 then 2.
And then 5.
It's
No.
gonna be 12. It's gonna be 12.
So,
What?
if 2, start with 2. What's the only number I can divide 2 by? 2. So then you go, okay, I can divide this by 2, right? So, if I say, oh, okay, Miss O'Malley, we can divide by 2. So then you go on the top. Can I divide this by 2?
No.
No. So you're like, wait. It doesn't work. 25 divided by 2 doesn't work. So can I simplify it? No. You're done.
That's what I said.
I know, but when you guys start shouting out random numbers, I gotta prove to you why you're wrong.
Oh, that's not very nice.
Why is there sad face?
25.
Guys, you just spent a lot of time doing work you weren't supposed to.
I
Do the sad
said
face.
you
Do we draw
can't.
the sad face too?
Totally.
Okay.
You do the
It's
sad
kind of like angry face, though. It wasn't really sad. It was more like disappointment.
You give him the like that one?
Totally. All right. Give you a worksheet.
Sure.
And
Oh man.
Sure.
Actually, Brandon?
2 more minutes left. So.
You don't know my feeling.
All right. Let's stay on task. Let's stay on task.
Yes, I did
Stay
get
on
a
task.
paper.
It's coming.
It's coming home.
I'm coming home. Okay. Number 1 is done for you. Now, they used the vocabulary inverse. Inverse just means to flip. Inverse is the proper way of flipping, okay? But we don't use that. We just say flip. Okay, I love this worksheet because it gives you the lines, breaks it down for you. Okay, make sure you're on the right side. I had like 4 kids last period copy me, but they were on the wrong side. And I'm like, your numbers don't match. Ah! All right. First fraction, we're going to keep. So we just literally copy it down.
Literally.
The division changes to multiplication, which they did for us. Yay.
Hooray.
And then the second fraction, we're going to flip it.
3 over 2.
KCF.
3 over 16.
So you're writing this down with me. And then you solve it before I do.
Isn't it 3 over 16?
And guess what? On this worksheet, there's no simplifying. All of your answers are going to be nice. So it should be faster. Keep, change, flip. Yes.
How many questions do you have to do?
All of them, because it's that easy. Because there's no simplifying.
No sense that Bro.
All right, ignore, get to work.
I said,
We're getting better on the ignoring. So everybody keep ignoring. Keep, change, flip. Don't forget the keep. A lot of kids start flipping everything.
Wait, do we have to stop on the answer?
They flip out.